It's 10:45 a.m. on Saturday, July 24th, 2021. This time I'm at Point Marion, Pennsylvania for a car show 2021. And yeah, it's coming up 9 days before it'll be time for the Mannington Fair. I will give you a walk through. There's over hundreds of cars here so far. 10:46 a.m. Try to talk around all these other people talking. So I'll show you some. Give you a walk through in a while. It's 11:01. I'll show you what's here now. Walk. One big one right there coming down.
No, sir. Yes, this year. Because they didn't think that many cars were coming. So they judged, but they didn't figure out the
like this one. The stuff in front of this thing is all attitude. It's running off of it.
Hey, we was at an air show. That's why I drove the conference.
The interior's all white and the red all pieces. Three.
See, the one I went up there and looked at, that's what it was. That lime green was a 383. This car's all original, right?
Yep.
They do put the price on them on the right front finger on. How are you doing?
Past our logo, yeah.
74 SS. 350 with a 3-speed. 3-speed on 4.
There's that high hook truck there with the wheels. Now, and there's this one. Sitting in the seat.
said, I only had showing off for the girls, you know.
It's 11:10. I think the one's right on the inside here. So we're going around the circle.
We don't go for that, do we? That's just a truck. That's a truck. That's just a truck.
I guess, hasn't it? But I'd really put things down to a
Yeah. He's from Ohio.
I try to get a jump start here.
Oh, you were my friend on Blueberry Hill.
Just don't say my name. It helps going through life being beautiful, right? With those glasses, she could probably be my psychiatrist. Okay, TMI, I show extra. Like 70 guys.
Like it looks like they'd be Allen prints, but they're not. Well, and that's true. I can't get them.
I think it's got a drill down in there.
To a bank in one in Virginia and one in West Virginia, and his daughter Daylight all over.
There's an Ice Cream Lady PC stud. Ice Cream Lady PC stud.
I live in Indiana County.
Well, he's traveling all over the place. The only guy I know down this way, you got
No, after you drive, well, Elton showed me, said it's just
95.
this metal is on metal.
Who likes to drink a wine? Who likes to drink a wine? You said magic word for wine.
That's where I thought it was.
Go one.
So when I pulled it off, I struggled together. Well, then I had a guy come over the hump.
About 72 grabber and Greensburg is bought. It's the grabber, sports package, it's got the white red, beige and deer. I think probably could.
Give me something new.
Honest thing, I kept looking at the car and I kept not these guys just stick on. Why reach up underneath the fender wall?
Yeah, it's Black's Plains Restaurant. It's 11:30 a.m. now. It says their 25th car show today. 11:53 years more than have come.
I'll get you back in there.
One guy got this guy. All right, you wanna walk that way?
Here, 11:56. Well, 21. That old house is abandoned. Door out. Yeah. I think I must have seen these already. Yes, right here, some new ones in this row. It's 12:23
Power steering box bolts in exactly where the original box bolt is.
I walk out of the building. It's like, you go around the school. Yeah? Well, I probably.
It's 122. I don't think I got that one. Or unless it was over there a while ago. Ooh. It's 133.
Is Junior bringing any car down today, Nick?
I think I already got those ones, but from here it just came. Another one coming in 135. I think it'd be about done people coming. Should have been a lot of people here earlier this one. I think I got these earlier. It's 1:38 p.m. I think with this I'm just going to sign off and end the video here. Right here from Point Marion, Pennsylvania. Right close to the West Virginia state line. And then we're in Greene County, Pennsylvania. Goodbye. We're at 140. This one wasn't even sitting here earlier. There's a different car there in the beginning. Struck. I think this will be all I'll show you now.